70.3 kilos lightweight division. Let's welcome Isma Mulhaq. Of the blue corner, representing Tribal Warriors, weighing 70.3 kilos, lightweight division. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion, Shane Smith!
MFN fighter.
Bullshit.
MFN in shorts is wearing.
So, even I'll get some jump too.
Obey my commands at all times. Keep the fight as clean as possible. Touch gloves. Let's go. Let's do this.
Inzamam versus Shane Smith.
Round one, Huck versus Smith. Inzam trying to take the center and he has successfully taken the center. Now Inzam is trying to work off his strikes, but Smith is trying to go for the low kicks. Both the fighters are exchanging. Inzam controlling the center. He's trying to set Inzam controlling the center, trying to control the cage. A beautiful outside leg kick from Smith. They're exchanging the low
that was
kicks,
a
man.
beautiful
Beautiful,
outside
heavy low
kick.
kick from Inzamam.
Inzamam.
Inzamam pressing forward. I'm like the movement of Inzamam is really good. He's walking behind his jabs. He understands the range very well. He knows when to hit and when to move out. A beautiful calf kick from Inzamam. A curl selected. And Smith is going for a takedown. He's going for a single leg takedown, but a beautiful defense from Inzamam. He's trying for an
He's trying for a guillotine.
kill.
He
He's
kinda
trying for an
has
anaconda. He almost has it. Let's see if he's working over. Almost has it. Let's see if he can finish it. I'm like, Smith is constantly working on still on single leg. Smith needs to get rid of the lock. But instead I'm constantly putting the pressure on. I'm like, the lock is not completely synced in, but still he can work off it.
Neither is
Now
the-
Smith is
neither
working
is
for
the
a double leg
guillotine
takedown
knee.
using the cage. But there's a good base from Inzamam. Constantly working, not allowing to get and taken down. Now he may get taken down. Yes, Smith successfully almost partially took down Inzamam. Now Inzamam planning to recover using the cage. He's posturing up and trying it up. And he's landing some strikes for the bottom. Now Smith is controlling Inzamam, but not much damage. I think he needs to do some damage by controlling. Not just controlling doesn't work. He needs to throw some strikes. He needs to progress from there. He's trying to put Inzamam towards the cage. Last 10 seconds. Let's see if Inzamam can make out of it. But Inzamam is actually striking from the ground. He's trying to get the damage more. Now he's stood up. Now let's see a takedown from Smith. A beautiful defense. A beautiful hip thrust by Inzamam. A beautiful ending for the round one. Let's see how round two goes. Round 2. Gonna begin in a few seconds. Red corner Inzamam and blue corner Smith. Round 2. Let's see how this goes. Any change of plans by both the fighters? Different style of approach. I think Inzamam wants to keep it striking. He want to utilize his range and land those kicks and the strikes. As Spain went to a double leg takedown, Inzamam noticed it and beautifully countered it.
Oh, that was a
Beautiful
close
strike.
one. That was close.
He cannot be reckless with the takedown. Smith needs to set up the takedown. He needs to use the strikes and then go for the takedown.
Smith also needs to be a little careful about the range. This is the second or third time he's stripping down while trying to take him down. See, once again, he's attempting a takedown, but he is not able to gauge the range needed to do so. There's a single leg, and now finally he takes him down.
Now Smith is on top, controlling. Inzamam needs to make most out of it. He needs to take some damage. He needs to do some damage to Inzamam if he wants to still stay in the fight. Right now Smith is on the top, but Inzamam is controlling the posture. He's not allowing Smith to do any sort of damage. A beautiful reversal from Inzamam. Now Inzamam on top in half guard. Smith should recover. Let's see what things work on. Now Inzamam pointing from top, and Smith uses his legs to create space. A beautiful strikes from Inzamam. A good ground and pound from Inzamam. Now Inzamam using a leg strikes against a grounded opponent. Very carefully attacking the legs. Very good leg kicks. Beautiful ground and pound by Inzamam.
Ooh. He needs to be careful. Inzamam needs to be careful when he's throwing these kicks. It can lead to a disqualification.
A beautiful top punch. A good ground and pound. Inzamam is jumping. Can't be there. Beautiful punches by Inzamam. He's going for the finish. Can he finish? Can he finish is the question. Time is well left now. Smith on the top. What a round, guys. Round 3, guys. Smith in the blue corner, Inzamam in the red corner. I know Smith is going to go for a takedown. Inzamam should be very careful about it. At the same time, Inzamam should not overextend. That will lead him to get a takedown. Now Inzamam with a low kick, beautiful low kick. One more low kick, but a good check from Inzamam. Sorry, Smith kicked the low kick and Inzamam checked it. Another takedown. He got this time now. Let's see if he can finish the double leg takedown. But Inzamam is going for the guillotine.
Needs to be careful
A
of the
beautiful
guillotine.
sprawl. But Smith is reshooting and putting his weight. He's thrusting his hips into the Inzamam and secure the takedown. Let's see if Smith can make most out of it. He needs to get the damage out in this round.
Inzamam
It's
trying
only
to go for the
guillotine.
guillotine.
Let's see if it works. It's not completely there. If Smith can move towards it, right. Another second double leg takedown attempt. Let's see if Smith can finish it. Beautiful takedown by Smith. But when it comes to damage, it's Inzamam. Inzamam has been damaging a lot. Let's see if Smith can damage. A reversal by Inzamam. Smith needs to work out now. Inzamam has ended up in Smith's guard. Let's see how it ends up. Inzamam controlling the posture, but Inzamam posturing up to land some blows. A beautiful cross from Inzamam. Now Smith wants to create space. He has got his knee shield inside and creating space. Beautiful ground and from Inzamam.
I like the way Inzamam completely jumps and throws the punch when he's
He's
on
trying
the
to
top.
make the most out of it. Offered a grounded opponent.
I like
Once
that.
again,
I like that.
When your opponent's grounded, you need to make most out of it. Do some damage, you know. It's going to get you ahead
I
and
like
score
that.
guard.
I've never seen that before. It's very interesting and very
Beautiful
unique.
level change by Smith, but Inzamam countered it. Smith going to take back, but let's see if he can finish it.
Okay, now Smith is on mount and trying to do some damage to Inzamam. And now we have last 10 seconds of the round. This is going to go to the judges for the
Beautiful
final
grounded by
decision.
at the end of the round from Inzamam. What a finish of round 3 by Smith. At the end of the round, he secured top and give it ground and pound. But when you skip it overall, let's see how things work.
We see some frustration from Smith's coach on the octagon side. What? Really? I didn't realize that. Octagon?
No. So octagon is 8-sided cage. When you
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner.
It's basically a circle. They call it a circle. They can't even use the term called octagon.
After the all 3 rounds,
Wow,
judges
that's
split decision, and the winner comes from the red corner, Inzamam Holland.
Okay, guys.